Hi everyone, I'm going to give you a bit of an insight on our stainless steel squares and what they're for and how do we check they are accurate. So we make our stainless steel squares with a billet of aluminium here on the cheeks and using stainless steel here for the blades. We have the odd numbers and the even numbers, giving you a spacing of 2 mil. And using a mechanical pencil, you can easily mark your line by putting in where the measurement you want it to be. So how do we use one of these squares with the lines? So let me just show you here now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a piece of ply. I'm going to put this on our lefty table, and just to give me a bit of stability, I'm just going to use some dogs in here just to lean against when we're marking the. So you can see here I've got those there, and all I'm going to do here is if I want a line at 50 mil, I can find my 50 mil mark here, slide that along there like that, and then that will give me my 50 mil mark here, as you can tell by the laser marking here. So how do we check that our squares are square and that what you're receiving is perfectly aligned? So we use an old method of just scribing a parallel line. We can test these on our CMM, but how do you test them? And this is a good way for you to do it. This comes with your square, and you can see here we've made 2 parallel lines, and that's showing you that how parallel that is when doing a flip test. And what I mean by a flip test is when we put the square this way and then we flip it over this way. If there was any inaccuracies, you would notice it in the parallel lines that you see here. So this square will get tested with the square that you are receiving, and this will come with your square. So that's how we check for accuracy on our squares. So what sizes did we do? We've got a 600, 450, 300 and the 150. Now, as you can tell by the 150, we don't have the 32 spacing holes on this one. This is purely down to the size of the blade, not allowing the space there for it. But as you can see on all the rest, we all have our 32 mil centers for pinholes here. And you can buy the drill that goes with this to allow you to drill the holes, just like on the T-squares and the rulers. So there you have it. There's a bit of an in-depth on our stainless steel squares, and you can find them on our website at benchdogs.co.uk. And just go to our measuring department on the website and you'll find stainless steel squares.